Hi everyone, welcome back. That's just a technical issues and yeah, it took me a few minutes to prepare. Hello. Ninety pips. Hello, welcome back my friends. Yeah, it's just a problem relating to the connections. Now I hope that everything fixed well. Alright, and our signal. I wonder if you enter this one or not. And it's really quickly. Yeah, it was really quickly and just hit 100 pips. Yeah, hit 100 pips and then it reversed to our entry. Okay, so anyone entered the signal on time? Anyone? Do not re-enter, okay? Let's wait for the further action. Remember, do not try to re-enter if you miss this one. Yeah, the bullish momentum now is coming back in a 5-minute time frame. So anyone get into this trade? Yeah, we're back. I'm sorry for the technical issues. Uh, uh, this is this is the issue I cannot manage. It can drop anytime, even though I register the premium package for my Wi-Fi connection. I wonder. I have no idea. Yeah, why it's happened. All right. So thank you so much for understanding. Okay, so I would like to know anyone got profit from this signal? Anyone get in on time? Anyone get enter? Yeah, get in this trade. Just let me know. Okay, wow, the bullish momentum is very strong and it's officially break out this resistance zone. Okay, this resistance zone is also our quick scalping signal. And yeah, it's confirmed. And there's a lot of fair value gap up here. You know, it's already finished for the bearish momentum. And like I told you, below here is a really good buy zone. Yeah, was a really good buy zone for investors and traders hold the buy position. It cannot go lower in the short term, right? You can see the signal after it touched to 4402 or even 01. Immediately the next 5 minutes candle was a very strong bullish candle. All right, and it's heading to from 02 to 58 in 5 minutes. So you can see that 1 5 minute candle and it changes $56, which is 560 pips. So that was super crazy for gold market today. Okay, And that's why I advise you we need to trade safely. And anyway, do not try to revenge the market this day, okay? And never allow yourself forget setting the stop loss. Never allow yourself doing that, all right? This 1 minute 5-minute candle, 560 pips distance for one. Okay, so gold market today is so crazy. Hi $5. Welcome back, my friends. We just got a very successful sell signal and 100 pips so quickly. Okay, anyone looking forward to receive another sell signal, in today's live stream? Because I do not receive your response, so I guess that you missed. It's kind of quick, and we don't know what was happened in a few seconds, right? So anyone want to receive another signal in today's live stream? If yes, just let me know and comment ready. You need to interact with me, okay? So let me know that I should repair anything. If you just keep silent, I don't know. Indeed. Ready. So only a few people get ready for my signal, for the upcoming signal. I need more. Anyone watching my live stream today, you really looking forward to receive another scalping signal in today's live stream? I will set the entry a bit farther for you to get ready, and well prepare, okay? To avoid the speed is too fast for you to enter the trade. Anyone else? I can see that the quantity is not reached my expectation yet, so I would like to receive more ready comment, okay? And remember, my friends, do not forget to like today's live stream video and subscribe my channel. Okay, this simple action but a big support for me, to build this YouTube is getting more and more qualified. Okay, do not let you wait any longer. I will set up a buy signal for you so that you can wait, okay? And the second signal will be 46.30 to 28. It's a bit lower to a current price because you can see that in 5-minute time frame it can be up to $50, $56, and there's really no reason that we cannot wait for below buy zone. And this is also the breakout area. Breakout area. I would like to delete this range, so that we can focus to the current level. Bonded, okay. Now gold price is reversing, and let's wait that it will hit our below entry in today's live stream or not, or just one signal successfully winning. Thank you so much for your compliment, Spirit. And what are you waiting for? Subscribe my channel, okay? And I also have the community on Telegram. You can scan the QR code I insert on the left side of the chart, and you can follow me on Telegram to receive daily gold trading plan and other technical analysis about BTC, and other crypto assets. And also I will send you the key news that happened in a day, so that you can get notice and have your own strategy, all right? And Fundamental analysis is also very important factors that it will help you to maximize your profit as well, besides technical analysis. And remember, today we had a lot of important news. Sorry, not today, this week. We have a lot of important news. I will show you the whole week news. Every time in the early of any month, beginning of a month, new month, is also busy, with full of red news, important news for whole week from Monday to Friday. And especially Friday, it's very sensitive for you. Besides a lot of red news, but also that is the time a lot of investors and traders, they took profit and they don't want to keep the cash, keep the money in their account for a weekend. Okay. And if you want to know the timeline for these news, you can access to this website, forexfactory.com. And in my point of view today, today New York session, gold price will continue to adjust, retrace, it will retrace and continue the recovery. However, in today New York session, it's gonna be reversed to accumulate, for this below zone from 46, 46 00, to 48 00. Also, you can use this tool, regression trend, to measure the trend and the channel of gold moving. This will help you to set up the signal by using below and upper zone, upper trend line. And if you can watch for RSI, combined with EMA. So now it's starting to accumulate around 47.70s. It's starting accumulating after strong bullish momentum. So you can see that 5 minutes, it can contain, it can length up to 100 pips. It cannot wait. Sometimes it no need to wait to finish their time. 5 minutes to set up one candle. Even though that the market, we know that in the short term recover, but looking for the qualified entry and safety position is our best mission, right? Our most important mission. Hi Nawa, welcome back my friends. It's kind of late for you to join in my live stream today. We just had a very successful sell signal a few minutes ago. I wonder if you are entered this signal or not. You know that sometimes I set up the signal by watching 1 minute time frame. That is super scalping signal. Because our stop loss level is just around 50 pips, which is $5. But in a high volatility situation like this, looking forward, to setting up a good signal is a very difficult mission. But I think that it cannot challenge me. If yet, unfortunately, if it's yet, I believe that I can confidently to say that I can recover and find a way to help you recover after that. Okay, thank you so much. Now, hi, Abdul, hi, welcome back, my friends. Currently, we are waiting for below signal, okay, below entry. You can set the pending order, okay? You can set the limit order to wait. If we miss for this one, okay, no worry. I will set up another signal in my VIP signal group. And if you want to receive those scalping signal, welcome to join in my VIP channel. You can send me a direct message on Telegram and I will instruct you how to join in my VIP channel easily. Just from $42 to $48 and you can get access to my VIP channel, okay, for a month. And every day at least 15 signal will be prepared for you from the early Asian session to the New York one. Which area find sell? Sell will be around this upper trend or the nearest level. I will take a look in a 5-minute time frame at least. We will consider around 48,000. 48 $408. $4,800. Sorry. And I believe that gold price is heading up to very strong bullish momentum currently. Okay, let's take a look in a 1-minute time frame. Wow, you can see that very impressive bullish candle. It shows you a strong determination of big player. But you can see the channel I marked for you, right? The regression trend by using regression trend, and now it's heading to this near resistance zone at 47.82. Oh, I will try to draw again. Let's take note for price. 87, okay, in 1 hour time frame. Let's come back to 5 minutes. It's a bit far. From 85 to 87, we will observe for this price level, and you can see that when price is heading to near to that zone around 80, it's reversed and dropping 200 pips so far. Wow, what to go so crazy. We cannot predict all moves of gold price, right? We just know how to set up a qualified scalping signal and manage our capital well. So if we see any any bullish or any strong bullish or bearish reaction, just come down. And yeah, and trust me, I can set up the signal for you to make money from this market. All right, but you cannot let your guard down to maximize your trading volume in one trade. That is called gambler, not trader. And that is very dangerous to wash out your account in a blink of an eye. What is standard confirmation gold is bullish trend. Alright, so let's see. Market shows you the signal for the confirmed bullish trend. The first one you watch in 5-minute time frame because you want to look into the detail of price movement, and you see it's heading upward, right? Obviously it's heading upward and it's forming higher highs and higher lows. And that is called market structure. And when market set up higher highs and higher lows, it shows you that is an uptrend, okay? But we are looking in the chart, looking at the chart in 5-minute time frame. So this is just a short term, okay, short-term uptrend. So there will be two factors. First, market structure, how does it look like? And second, what timeline? Yeah, what timeline you are watching. Okay, remember for these two conditions, and you can give yourself conclusion for the market trend. Also, you will see in the 1 hour time frame. Check for the current 1 hour candle. What is its color? Yeah, the color will show you which size is not dominating the market right now, right? And in 1 hour time frame, you see the candle is in blue. Is in green, and this shows you market is controlled by the sellers right now, and it's heading to the upper trend, right? The upper channel, and currently it's have the short term bearish reaction when it touched to this resistance zone and upper trend line. All right, so that is some tips for you to identify the confirmation of the market that they follows weak trend. And the most important things is time, time frame and market structure that is establishing. All right, is it clear for you, Nawa? I remember you always give me a very good question. Yeah, and that this time when we discuss and I show you experience, the knowledge, so that anyone watching my live stream can remember for this as well. Yeah, it's very good. How to find strong resist? That is the question relating to the time frame once again. For strong resistance and support zone, you can watch in bigger time frame, like 1 hour or 4 hour or even daily. Daily is kind of big, right? But we don't know, that what if price is moving near to the resistance or support zone in the daily time frame? Who knows? So we need to take the observation from the bigger time frame like daily. Yes, we cannot watch or focus on this time frame. That's okay. We cannot focus on this time frame because they are too big. As the scalper, you can watch from 1 day, and heading to 4 hour and 1 hour. But for me, 1 hour, 1 hour and 4 hour is also very important for you to identify those key level. And also you can pay attention to the breakout or breakdown area or the rejection area by seeing candle wicks. Yeah, candle wicks. Sometimes support or resistance is not a big zone like this. Yeah, sometimes it can be just candle wick. All right, for example, like this zone, you see, there's a lot of gap. If we watch in 1 hour time frame, you see this is a gap up. The market open after that, after touching to 4400. All right, and market open a gap up here, and it shows you, wow, that is a strong determination of the buyers to make gold price recover in the short term in today's trading session from London session. All right, and this zone you can notice as a strong support zone as well. All right, so that's it, just a candle wicks, but it tells you a strong determination of the market makers by choosing which side is not dominating market right now, who's control the game right now. All right, and for this candle having long below, lower wicks like this. Okay, this is the footprint of liquidity hunting, and you can pay attention to those areas. And because whenever the market forms any candle, especially in 1 hour time frame or any time frame, all right, it have very long wicks like this, it definitely market will come back and feel this gap, because that is where it's imbalance between buyers and sellers. All right, and you just observe the market determination, and by your trading experience and by my sharing, okay, you can remember and just keep on watching for trading view, gold chart, or any assets trading view. All right, and you will remember and learn by heart for these key tips to identify which is the strong resistance or support zone. Okay, is it clear for you, my friend? Those are very basic and very in my honesty as well. That is my experience for all the times, for all the years that I traded and I set up the trade, set up the signals. All right. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope that with my sharing you can set up yourself your strategy and become a successful trader in the near future. And if you want to support me, don't forget to like today's live stream video, subscribe my channel, and you can refer my VAB channel group as well. And remember, getting ready for US trading session to begin. And my advice for you, if you are not ready to trade in today's New York session, you can watch for the market chart, okay? Or you can lower your trading volume to trade in today's New York session, because the market is still moving in high volatility. Now it's not stable right now, and this week is very busy, with a lot of important news. Okay, so that is my advice for you if you want to trade safely in today's New York session. Silver chart is clean. I haven't watched it, so let's take a look for silver. I think that is similar, they move in high volatility as well, and That is the same direction for both assets. Yeah, for both rare metal. But gold is the big brother and silver is the younger brother. And silver will follow, will follow the momentum, the main momentum of gold. And this is heading to the short-term recover, like gold as well, right? It's heading to the lowest price at 71. Wow. It's deeper than gold, but it's still similar to gold momentum and reaction. But trading silver, you need to lower your trading volume. Yeah, because the profit and loss will be calculated in a different way. And if you keep the same trading volume to trade silver, wow, oh my God, I cannot imagine what is a bad result will happen if you identify the wrong direction. Yeah, because it will a huge loss for you if you keep the same trading volume from gold to trade silver. Okay, and you can use the MT5 to calculate the profit and loss automatically before you set up the trade. So many wicks in gold. Indeed, yeah, that's why gold is chaos. But that is when you're watching in a 1 minute time frame. Every candle, every asset, it's a lot of wicks, but liquidity hunting is happened more than in gold USD. Why? Because traders, they're still focused mostly on trading gold. Okay, silver is just FOMO to gold recently. Yeah, I do not deny that silver brought a lot of profit and increased steadily recently. I do not deny that, but the quantity of traders trading gold is still a lot, much more than silver. Okay, so that's why market makers, they love do liquidity hunting in gold market rather than silver. And so that's why you see the market of gold. Yeah, the gold chart is having more wicks than silver. All right. But it just happened when gold, facing with a short-term bearish momentum. If you see, if you compare with the uptrend happened last month, when the market moved in an uptrend, there's not a lot of wicks in 1 hour time frame. Yeah, there's not a lot of candle wicks in 1 hour time frame if the market is in uptrend, right? Market only forms the candle wicks when we trading news. Yeah, when we trade news, and when it's facing with a panic sell, and traders is looking for buy position because they want to make bargain to the market and want to find a good position to enter the buy signal because they think that is deep. That is deep, right? But market maker do not think like that, okay? And it usually happens liquidity hunting when the market is facing with the current uptrend, downtrend, all right? And the proof is that you can see this period from last Friday, until today, Asian session. There's a lot of liquidity hunting when the market is facing with the short-term downtrend. Yeah, so that is when we're watching in 1 hour time frame. But everything changes in 5 minutes because it's always happened if we trade as scalpers, as a scalping style. Yeah, you can see that there's a lot of wicks and just rare candle, they are engulfing. Yeah, so see, most of the bearish candle, they will have wicks. They get deeper below and then reverse, right? So to spend your time watching the trading view, more than at least 1 hour a day, you can choose your favorite trading session to watch the chart, or watching the chart in my live stream like this. Yeah, together we will discuss the analysis and the prediction, for the market trading in today live stream, every time I live stream. Okay, thanks a lot, up to high, for your compliments, but I really think that we should focus on trading view, because our only purpose is making money from this market, right? And I do not want to distract by any factors. Okay, thank you so much for your concern, and I really looking forward to receiving your support long time later. Yeah. And if yes, I'm waiting for you in my VIP channel. All right, to support you better and clearer, closer. Okay, thank you so much, my friends. Okay, and this time I just note for you 2 key level we need to observe in today New York session is about to come. It's a breakout from 47.84. This is the below, the upper level for the trend in 1 hour time frame. All right, I will come back for you. I will zoom it back for you to understand easily. As you break this resistance zone, definitely gold price will conquer the higher levels, and it shows you buyers is coming back, and it's time for market for gold is back to the uptrend. All right, and if gold price got the bullish rejection when it touched to 47.84, 84, it will heading back to our buy zone. I hope so. At 47.30 to 28. And if it break down from this level, it's a breakdown. If our signal fell, unfortunately, gold will need some time to accumulating for from 4,400 to $4,700 right zone. All right, and remember, more than 3 hours, more than 3 hours later, we will have PMI. Okay, if you want to protect your capital, your profit, you can close on position you are in. All right, to avoid any liquidity sweep or stop loss hunting, something like that. Okay, and if you want to trade news with me, welcome to join in my VIP channel. Looking forward to receiving a safe and qualified scalping signal to trade in this severe New York session. All right, we don't know when the market will trap us, and that's why you really need a fellow to be with you in this severe trading journey. All right, thank you so much, my friends, for joining today's live stream, and see you this Wednesday. Have a good day. Goodbye.